And now we are continuing our amazing low poly landscape tutorial. Not tutorial, but my live stream. So before I had this problem, I just was stopping the stream for a small tutorial I made and put it up on YouTube. You can check it out on my channel, Mandy Mozart at YouTube. And yeah, I'll continue. I made it possible now to see the vertex color in the object mode as well, which is the color attribute that changed. Let's see how we continue painting original, like painting individual vertices in the in this low poly model. So here is what he did. We go to vertex paint.
Individual faces.
Yes.
First go to edit mode. I'm gonna hit tab to go to edit mode. I'm gonna make sure that I have face select mode up here checked. I'm gonna double tap A to unselect it.
Yeah.
And now I'm going to go ahead and paint in the areas that I want. Maybe the mountain peaks I'll do first. So I'm gonna hit C on my keyboard and I can do a circle select now. So I'm
okay.
gonna grab the
so let's see if we can get that figured out. Okay, so here's our thingy. We go into edit mode, I guess, and nothing. Oh, see, that's why. And so we go A, and then deselect everything, and we do the select tool, and no, that's select circle. So there we go, mountain tops, great. Do, 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 do. Shift, add some more with the mountain tops. Oh, I should select the faces. So it's disconnect. Let's select this. See, and we're gonna do our cave later on. So keep it. Oh, so painting. Select this one, unselect this one. Mountain top, mountain face. Yes, I want this here. This one we should also include. Let's just select the cave too. Upsala. No, I did the whole thing on this. Okay. Switching the keyboard. Do this again. Maybe I can do it. Yes, there you go. Add this at the cave. And try to select all of them inside. We're going to do that later on just to make sure these ones are adding. Just select these, add this. Yeah. Cool. So one mountain top, and then maybe at the second mountain top here. Flippala, this was way too much. Cool, mountain top selected. Cool. And rolling hills, don't get mountaintop stuff. Maybe deselect some here. Hoppala. I deselect some stuff here. Up. Hit control key. And yeah, this we also don't want. Great, so you get the mountain tops. And I guess now you just have to switch to vertex paint.
Mountains here that I want some white snow on, and you can use C to select and then middle mouse button to unselect. I'm just selecting some of these with C and going ahead and and using my middle mouse wheel to unselect the ones that I don't want selected.
Yes.
So just a few basic selections here on top of those peaks. And now what I can do is if I go back to vertex paint and I choose this little option here, face select masking for painting. So go ahead and check that, and now you can see that we just have those faces selected available for painting.
Okay, face select.
Go paint and click set vertex colors or shift K, and that will go ahead and assign whatever color you have here to.
Huh, okay, let's try that. Go vertex paint, and I go here. I see, great. So we can't just paint on these. So whatever we have there is just add the white. And what did he do? He did
To those. So I'm gonna make this a nice white color, almost 100% white, maybe just a little bit blue.
a little
Now I
bit
can
blue.
Go ahead and click paint, set vertex colors, and you can see that's
Okay. So white, a little bit of blue. Yes. And paint, set vertex colors. Yes. I want to do this a bit more bluish. And again, set vertex colors. Cool. Great, we got that part. Continue. Low poly.
colors of the peaks now. That's pretty cool.
Thank you,
I might
CG
want
Geek.
just a little bit less blue actually, and then do that again.
Less blue. I made more blue.
Color. Going back to object mode, you can see we have those vertices painted, and there are nice sharp edges like I want.
Love that.
Low poly scene.
Low
So that's
poly
pretty cool,
style.
and I think I said pretty cool a few times. I might have said that more than once. So now going back to vertex paint, we're just going to do this a few times where we tab into edit mode, select a few faces. This time I'll do some grassy patches. So just kind of going around and selecting the areas that I want some grass to be showing up on. Just a few. By
Yes.
brush nice and small with the scroll wheel. And then also using the middle mouse button, like I said, to kind of cut back on some of the amounts. And that looks pretty good.
Cool, let's do that. Let's do some grassy patches. Object mode shows up, great. So edit mode, and select some other stuff, some grassy patches. F. Huh. Something triggered here. Maybe do an undo. Okay. Grassy patches. I'm not sure how you change the color though. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Grassy patch. Grassy patch. Where else? Here. Looks good. Add some. Yes, cool. I like this. And then we go to vertex paint again. And we change this to some green, darkish green. Guess that's what he's gonna do.
A little bit back there. And now what we can do is the same process of just going back into vertex paint here. So going vertex paint, and then selecting the color that we want for that grass. A nice sort of darkish green here. And then just going paint, set
vertex colors.
And we have that paint right over there. I might want to choose a
Awesome.
little bit less green of a material, as that's just a little overpowering. Do that again, Shift K. And that looks pretty good. Back into object mode, and you can see we have some grass painted in there. And a quick shortcut, if you want to use the C select option, you can do that right inside vertex paint. Just hitting C, and you can see you have the circle select showing up again. And now you can just click a little bit across here.
C.
You want a different
Let's see. Per C, I guess. Okay. But how do I do the opposite? Okay, what's next?
shade of rock or something here.
Rock.
After right-clicking out of the circle select option, you can go ahead and choose your color here. So maybe just a
Circle select. Okay, cool. So I definitely want this cave to be rocky. Okay. Too much. Great, I like it. And maybe here at the waterfall. Awesome. Why is this running? Okay, let's stop this. Okay, add some dark gray stuff, some gray rocky stuff. Awesome. Cool. Wicked.
A darker gray, and then go Shift K, and there you have your colors already added in. So it's pretty quick. You don't even have to go to edit mode if you want to just use the circle select option. And now you can see when we go back to object mode that we have some nice little low poly materials coming over here. This is all done with one material. Instead of making a whole bunch of different materials, it's all painted in with just one single material. So that's great for our little island. We have some nice materials. I also just set up a different material kind of for the base here, changing colors to a little bit darker. Kind of give it the look of like a chunk of dirt. But I'm liking the way this is looking. We have our water and our island. Now let's go ahead and decorate it with a few trees.
Okay, let's do the lower part. So I go edit, select mode, and just like select all this lower part here. I get a bit more darker. Get some rocky stuff there, around a clump of rock. And we want our cave. That's the thing we have to do. Really precise, because the cave is going to be fun. Maybe you have a portal, because I've seen this thing in Fiber where you can, at ThreeJS, you can make these portals. So you're basically within a scene and then you jump into another one. This is for another tutorial. Okay, great. So vertex paint, select the dark color, some dark brownish, ready dark brown, brown, paint, set vertex color. Nice, clumpy, dirty. Object mode, looking like a charm. And I wonder where I can change these colors potentially in the end. That's gonna be interesting. Let's see, attributes, core, byte color, amazing, great.
So to make some of these trees, let me go ahead and just first hide our objects here so it's not in the way. I'm gonna hit H, and then I'm gonna go back to our solid view here. I'm gonna go Shift S to be able to snap our cursor to the world origin there in the center. And I'm just gonna go Shift A and add in a cube. So grabbing our cube and tabbing into edit mode, I wanna select vertice select here. And then I can go Alt M and then just merge at center. So we only have a single vertice now. I'm just going to hit E and extrude that vertice up and just make a very basic tree. So I'm making a little bit of a trunk here, extruding it up. Now I'm going to take the branch here, kind of split it out a little bit, maybe go 2 different directions with these.
So I'm making my own trees now.
More extruded out
Are we seriously making our own trees?
branch.
Fuck that, yeah.
The middle mouse wheel to kind of pan around it, you can see it's all 2D. And I'm going to make this a little bit 3D by grabbing some of these vertices, stretching them out in both directions. So we have a little bit more perspective going on our tree here. And that just makes it look a little bit cooler. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the skin modifier to make this solid. So
wow.
Modifiers tab right here. You can add modifier. I'm going to add the skin modifier. So here,
cool.
Giving us a nice.
I always like to see where they go to.
Scale it all down, something, and it will scale everything else proportionately.
Okay, let's see if because I did find some nice trees. I'm not sure I want to go all the way with making all that stuff again. You could put for interacting, then downloads, documents. What's these models? Maybe that's the trees. That's a bee. Nice bee. It's not what I want. Oh. Okay. More bees. Okay. Didn't I download? No. So I will use. And I also didn't put anything here. Models, textures, videos, animations, household, office, soccer, utilize, stylized nature pack. But they have so much textures, birds, flower, dead trees. I mean, they're pretty cool. Yeah. I guess we're gonna go with that style. Dead trees. And rocks. Let's see what these rocks look like. So you can add that stuff. Awesome. Yeah, let's do that. Because I like them. I like the style. And there's more trees. Cool. Yeah. Make it really, really weird. Pine trees. They're like 2 megabytes. That's almost too much. Because of the textures. No, I don't want to. Maple tree. Oh, 3 megabyte. Phew, that's tough. No, let's make it simpler. Okay, so these ones are 3 megabyte. Pine trees. Dead trees. Okay. I'm thinking maybe to add a layer. Let's put them there. Let's see what they're gonna look like. Okay, very in detail. Okay, some small trees. What's it there? Mushrooms? There's a pine tree. I'm not sure if I want to model all that stuff right now, to be honest. It's the clouds. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's maybe do this. Nice trees. Pom pom pom. Maybe I go for them flowers. Yeah, we have to go with more easy shapes because in the end we eventually want to what's that trees? A lot of vertices. Okay. Made 2 or 3 trees and he copies them around. So we need 2 trees and just use them. So what we're gonna do is first of all save our scene. Deselect this. Brown is not brown, it's really reddish. Oh my god. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Okay. La 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 la. Maybe I do it like this. So file import, and we're gonna import a GLTF. Models, farming pack, stylized nature, birch trees, bushes, dead trees, pine trees. Do we have pine tree 1, pine tree 2, pine tree 4? Where are they? It didn't put them somewhere. Or they're gone. Delete. And maybe add them later. Oh, they're over there. Okay, cool. That's far off. How did they end up there? I guess because of the... Put that at the origin. How the fuck did they end up over there? Okay, my god. Okay. Scale that stuff down. Which one we want to use? Okay. Scale them all down. Two. Nice. Take pine tree number 1 and move it in there. Where did my origin go? Okay, nevertheless, let's move this. Pine tree 2. I wonder if I should do this or really just place them in 3D. It's actually more fun to figure out how to do this later on in ThreeJS. Here. Oh. I'm pushing the button and I'm not scrolling. What's happening? What's locked? I locked something. It's dangerous. Oh wow, so they're huge. I'm not the best of an environment artist, to be honest. And that's not so low poly, to be honest. Okay. Some tree. It looks weird. It looks like a shitty computer game. Okay. The other one. I'm not sure if they're worth the payload. It's gonna remove them. No, I don't like. Should find something funnier later. Okay, this looks like a shittiest computer game ever. Amazing. Okay, I should find some funky shader. Cool. So, at least I'm not sure if I like these trees. Go into the cave. And in the cave, we definitely want some crystals. So I'm gonna do this now. I'm gonna add a mesh cone, maybe a cone. Yes. Size them down. Whoopala. Mm-hmm. I think I have to. Some crystal. Add some of these rocks. Root node. Where did the rocks go? Why does it place it always like somewhere like, oh my god. I think I should upscale my island. No. This whole thing scale by 1000. Why did it scale this one or not? Okay, cool. Ugh, this stuff. Why does it? This is so schlimm. Also, mit Orientation muss ich echt noch ein bisschen üben. What's this thing, motherfucker? Camera. Who needs a fucking camera over there? Yeah, make it 10. 10. 10. Okay, cool. Hinkelsteine. Asterix and Obelix would be proud of me. Okay, this is definitely the most stupid project I've done in a while. I'm learning a lot, but I'm also frustrated a lot. Because when you do stuff like the first time. Now. And then why does Zoom stop? You. And then I can't go in there anymore. This is so ridiculous. Delete here, okay. No. Delete only. It's yeah, exactly. That changes something. And then it jumps to this, and I can't scroll in anymore. I'll size all of this up. Oh, there you go. Okay, now this should work. It's only that object. Why can't I select all of you guys? Okay, there. Still a bit large, so make them 5. 5, 5. Okay. We got 5 rocks now. And I still want to know why I can't zoom in further. What's this? User perspective. This is the light. This is my sunlight. Great. And why oh, I don't have the HDRI from the other. Okay, so I will add, I guess, sun. Very bright. Sunset time, a bit more reddish. Diffuse specular spot. Strength, definitely down. More like 10. There you go. Christmas time, got you the crap. Okay, cool. So that's cool. Get some trees. Trees look ugly. Still a bit tall. I still have zero idea why I am in this mad orientation mode. I was much easier before. It was so much easier before. Okay, got a tree here. Two trees. Just fuck the trees. Fuck the trees. No, the trees look ugly. Rocks look good. Oh my god. Now I want some fish underwater. Down to the cave. Okay, there we go. Back to the cave. Go inside the cave. Funny that the light is actually showing into the cave. Okay, cool. think I entered some sort of isometrical perspective here. How the fuck does it? I'm like literally over asked this shit. Okay, add one to the lakes. And this is stuck again. Get the camera view. Absolutely weird. I just really haven't figured this out. I want this by the waterfall. The cow. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, that's it. I leave it to that. Let's add some farm stuff. What do you have here? Farm with dead birches. I don't want dead trees. Grass, maybe trees. Farming pack. That's all the movement of cow milking. Okay. Criterion. Okay, no. Fusions page, because I want a Quaternius Poly Pizza. Let's see if we find some cool trees. Farm. Oh, there's some really cubey stuff. Really simple. Tune shoot a game. Yeah, this is the one with the stylized nature pack. Ultimate animal pack. I want animal. No, I add them later on. Okay. Nevertheless, I guess we're good. Ultimate crops pack. This looks good. Okay, I'll down later. Blends. FBX. And maybe I add this stuff later on and as sort of, how to say, objects that I load when I'm in the scene, so I will not have to put the resources there right now into the model. I guess it's also something I could do with these other thingies there. So this one goes away. Yeah. And I think for the cave we do the same. So these rocks just want that one rock. Awesome. So let's save this. And I think for exporting, what we got to do now is to render everything into a file. Not render, but export. So I select this one, I select that one, and I select that one. the rock, the plane, that, and I go export GLBT, and perhaps I can even, no, can't go straight to the, okay, let's just go here, map GLBTF, BLT primary operator. I hope I have everything. Selected objects. Yes. Scene craft material. Yeah. Skinning. No imager. Okay, export GLTF. There you go. And let's see. Oh, actually, low poly landscape. Just to sum it up, what? Part 1 done. Blender part done, right? You get a Blender object yet now, or Blender landscape, and I will import it now as a GLTF destruct into fiber in React. So let's see how this goes. Okay, let's see if we can manage that. Part 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not the fastest on this whole stuff, like, so trust me, trust me. It's been a long day, and I am trying my best to become a master of stuff like this. So again, unfortunately, I always forget how to import stuff. So here we go. I guess we go to our home experience. This is where I want to add these objects, because at the moment I just have like some placeholder stuff there. This food item generically generating object that scroll. So I will get rid of all of those for now. And I have a sky. So this one's changed. So, and now heaven, this is my clouds that I will put above the scene. And here I will now, we can use this GLTF importer. So I think food item. Should I deconstruct? And I can change the texture. Would I need? I just use a primitive. Maybe just a primitive. Okay. I'm not sure what I need with the viewport. View 3 state viewport. Height times page. Interesting. Not so much interesting to me right now, because I want to animate the cameras later on, not the some weird objects moving through the screen. I want to move the camera through the scene, not objects around the camera. This is for later. Okay, so I will first of all have my map here, 3 megabyte. That's okay. And I go to my For Your project, because I'm running this on Ubuntu 2.2.2. Public, models, and map. Later on, when I clean up the project, I'm going to throw out all the stuff I didn't use, all this placeholder crap. So just for now, don't worry, don't you worry. This is all gonna work out. I'm gonna clean up my mess. Ich räume auf, ihr Freunde der Nacht. Schauen wir mal, gucken wir mal an, was wir da haben. Sprachen, Home Experience. Geht's da weiter ins Import model. How did I import the model here? Oh, the model is the one I'm importing through that. And the model has a food item. Okay. So the model is just the path to the model, actually. We're gonna check out how food items work. So model is really just the path straight to the model. Like this. Home experience. and I will add the model. I make a new folder for the model. Home, lower the screen, parallax section, scenes. Home, and here I will add, maybe I just call this whole thing models. And put one for the home scene. Perfect. And make a file called primitive. Should I have anything animated there, like a deconstructed something? No, I want it simple. I do complex stuff later. So this is my map. T6. Control. Let's see what the Copilot does. Generate a component containing a primitive for React 3 fiber and load it with the dry utilities. Let's see. Okay. Where's my primitive? No. This chart. Okay. React 3 fiber primitive component. Great, except, okay, whatever. I just start from there. React 3 dry box. Primitive here. That's the object. Object. I'll add my model. And const model. There you go. Use GLTF. Should be how I loaded these other ones. Use the reference. I will use the reference because I might want to. Do I want to do something to that thing? Nah. GLTF scene. Good positions. Yeah, position. I'll just drop the props here. And have to props. Props any. That's not for now. So I can position it anywhere. Just want to have this container. It just makes more sense. GLTF. LTF scene. This should extract. What are you? Probably is not on the type. What? Say what? What's your problem? Let's see. React 3 fiber for TypeScript. Example. Yes, use mesh. Reference mesh, no. No, typing shorthand props. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. TypeScript for the now. No actual point in this. Just want to import it. Don't need any of this stupid annotation. Export map. Cool. So, home experience, let's import our map. I am home experience, I go out, I go models, home, map. There we go. And now let's see if it loaded actually. I haven't been into this for a while. Okay, there we go. Init type. Got undefined likelihood. Whatever file is defined. Check the render method. First of all, let's restart our server. Second check. Go to the map. We export default map. Return primitive. Looks okay. Oh, because I'm importing it like that. Yeah. There we go. Okay, not found. Great. So let's do this. Change the path. I mean, honestly, this Copilot should really check my file structure. It's audio engine loaded. There's some island. Awesome. That stuff's still working. Very small. Okay, we see the big mountain there. Nice weird brown there. And maybe I also add for debugging, add an orbital camera, orbital controls. Yeah, that's normal. Crashed. Okay, great. Look at what we got here. So there's our Tillman. Got some clouds going on. I guess we're slowly getting into something very nice here. Okay, and the camera is rotating. Cool. Colors are horrible. Okay, we'll figure this out later, how we should shade all of this, but at least we get some map there. And then, okay, just positioning this whole thing. So if I start in the sky, all the controls, avatar, winter, food use control, current position, reference. So this thing should not turn, but the camera should not turn like this. We should do this very differently. Let's do the orbital controls. Yeah, we'll figure this out later. It makes no sense to tie up anything right now, as I will do the ThreeJS animations before the camera. Only thing I want to do right now is change the position a bit. By the way, these sparkles don't work. Map position, so that's Y, so that's minus. Start in the sky. Makes it very interesting. Avatar winter. So you go. Let's put that character just on the landscape and 2, 3, and maybe also scale that map up a bit. Still, it needs like more upscaling. And this should go up like 20, I guess. Okay. Got some nice clouds going on. And also I want to turn on the home page. Want to put on hidden, this one. Huh. How? Using third-party objects, declarative. And which part? React reconcile, dev not router server hard reload. Just click on this, let's see. Uh-huh. What's different? I just export this. Okay, what did you... Where's the loader? Working. So this is, seriously, when I turn on the lever thing, it just fucks it up. Is that? Oh my god. And now it's there. I turned it off. Ah, okay. Anyway, turn on the stats. I guess there's something wrong with the... Yeah, 100%. Cool. Clouds are working. Scroll and camera are a bit colliding with one another ideologically. Let me turn off the scroll for now. Oh, there he is, hiding. Cool. Way bigger. Nah, not too big, because I want to have these 50. Set. And there's this great method to move stuff around with the other controls. I have to figure that out again. I take these values here. Gonna jump into Baba Senses tutorial in a sec. But let's just add them there now. That's one way. And there's definitely another one to position stuff more creatively. Oops, that was wrong. Pause. Okay, still loading, 100% loaded. Okay, apparently I have some position for the avatar now. Not being anywhere. Where is he? Like everything inside. Oh, I don't think the position gets called through. Let's go into avatar position. Should go through. Let's do a log just to show. Lots of work around to figure. Oh, there we go. Finally, we have a position. He doesn't change at all. It's re-rendered, but the colleague doesn't move. That moved it. Or killed it. Wow, the sparkles are there. That's cool. That's cool. Good to know. But where did the colleague? Oh, there he is. It's way too high. I have to do a map. Okay. Quick pause. I'm gonna finish this. I'm back. Toilet break. Yes. Lots of Twitch people go to the toilet. I don't know how they do it actually. So you come through. Then I cannot just do it like this. Okay. So to make this easier. Go away. And our avatar doesn't need a position. Should handle itself for now. We'll do that later. Later. This controls avatar position. Cool. So output this, and I get out the property that I called it inside. I can extract it. So it's X, Y, Z. So position is, let's see. There we go. Okay. And the clouds need the same thing. Heaven. Position. There we go. Speed. Position. Cool. Position actually zero, and yes. Not working yet. I wonder why. They were 0, 0, 0. Oh, because I'm only moving one of those. Okay. So I gotta add it to this group. There we go. Amazing. Look what interesting cloud. Cool. Awesome. I think the cloud should be above something. You have to arrange this much better now. Effectiveness is not coming through, or this texture is gonna have to bake in the transparency, or actually make this a transparent shader material. Cool. And I wanted to create something that programmatically makes the clouds float above all of this in this long row, like in this other tutorial. So nevertheless, I'm gonna use this now. So it's 0, what do you say, 30, and minus 20. And my avatar should go down. It's way too big also. It's walking backwards. That cave should be prettier. And you need to be much smaller. Maybe I keep the avatar that size. Okay. Great. Simple. This is a proxy for the sparkles. Add use controls from dry and replace the position gray with a control property called position. See if they can do that. Yes, except this is wrong. call them fireflies. Cool. How to do this? Ah, yeah, that's something I want to kind of get now. Opacity, speed, noise, random, vector, precision, true, false. Okay, so the fireflies. Okay. Okay, maybe I scale down everything a bit now. And perhaps Mr. Swagger mit der Map braucht dasselbe. Okay, good. Okay, let's leave it to that. So that's that for today. Like how this whole shit is coming up. And classes are weird. Still got 60 frames. It's pretty awesome. And let's just the final thing. I'm gonna do some transparency because I want to see. Okay, anyway, this is basically I did the low poly landscape. I'm gonna add more objects to this tomorrow and gonna add like this cave so the whole modeling can start. And I might wanna figure out depth. So let's see that first. Dry. React fiber. Fog. Camera. Okay. Wow, sensei. Which lesson? Yeah. I don't want to. Log in. Aha. Continue. Yes, Mr. Wawa. Very good. Thank you. Camera. Okay, I think it's there where you have this amazing perspective camera, field of view. Orthographic. No. Okay. Top right fog. Conclusion cube camera staging lesson staging. Okay, maybe it's in the staging lesson actually. Haven't done that one yet. Intensity. Color attach background. Fog. There we go. Fog helps the background. Nice. Yes. And that's what we want. Okay. And this one we somehow have to connect to the time of the day, I guess. This is where now the whole fun begins. Nice. Okay, we're slowly getting into a vibe here. Clouds and sparkles and mountains. Maybe do 0 to 30. Minus 40. Okay, depending on how far the camera is gone, I have to adjust this. Let's make this 90. cloud really high and I'm gonna too far. Okay. Le petit prince. Le petit prince. Ça, c'est ça, c'est ça. Wow, I'm ready to get some food. This is it for today. Yeah, so low poly landscape I think is finished. Thanks for watching. I gonna upload this to YouTube no matter what. Because that's how we roll. I want to show people how this shit was done to the purist. Keine Hand vom Mund, no secrets. Almost no secrets. Sometimes when I'm really stuck, I just like kind of not continue this stuff. Okay, so anyway, just final look here. I made a perfect first section, and let's see for a very last small proof of concept, because I did have a home slides, home page, home interface. Yeah, because I did have an crazy overlay, and I'm not sure how to put it all together. I just have all my data there now. So yes, there is that stuff, and scroll is somehow disabled now because I disabled the scroll. I totally disabled the scroll. Home page, scroll, home interface, suspense, perspective camera, make default, home experience, orbital controls. So I take that off. And I think I can add this one now. And then, oh, because I have no scroll in here. Let's see. Re-add all of this shit just to be sure. I don't need to have it. Because I can use the use scroll here. Okay, so food items, where are those? I want to see everything I have in the scene now, just because I like it. So it's in mock data. Mock data, food items. Okay. Can't resolve food items. Loading should be a total mess. Oh, and I can scroll again. Okay, Greece, amazing. Amazing. My character's possibly up in the sky somewhere. Yeah, coming down, I hope. There he goes. Yeah, like a giant. And then let's see if this is not made. I have to figure out how all this should come together. Then this one. This one we shall. Oh, this will be so much fun. Oh, I only got this shit.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dash.
Oh my god, way too much stuff here.
A technologist,
Next time, I'm
front-end
gonna
developer,
clean this up.
and storyteller based in Vienna.
Thank you so much.
My passion
for
is
listening.
to build solutions for the web. I take pride in responsible, inclusive, and sustainable design and software architecture.
Yes, so this is the...
In my projects, I bring together visionary teams with these 5 simple principles.
Yes, do it. Bring together teams.
Trust the team.
Speed up the clouds.
Prove your concept. Design in code.
There's the fireflies. Okay, that's cool.
Build the tools you need.
Okay, cool.
And
Ready.
tell a beautiful story. Welcome to my portfolio.
Yes, this is the portfolio.
Down below, the sky is the limit.
This works too.
Maybe.
Okay, I'm layering like crazy. No. Awesome. So that's that for today. Tune in tomorrow, I guess. Stop recording.